Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you if you are getting an error like that there is no Wi-Fi tab in network and internet category of Windows setting, then in this video I'm going to tell you few methods which can be helpful to fix you this error. If any of this method proved helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So the first method is turning on the required services. For that, type services and open the service app. Once service app got open, you have to scroll down and search for the option which is LAN auto config. Right click on it and go to the properties, and here just change the startup type to automatic. If it is not automatic, then turn it on to automatic and then apply it, and then press OK, close it, and then restart and check if you're getting the Wi-Fi tab or not. So the second method is update the Wi-Fi driver. For that, go to the device manager and open the device manager, and then once it get open, go to the network adapters. Then there is a Wi-Fi option. Check for your Wi-Fi option, right click on it and then click on update driver, and then go to browse my computer for driver software. Here you have to click on let me pick from the list, then choose your driver name and then press next. So it will automatically install the latest driver in your system, and you will get a message like this. Close this screen, close device manager, and restart your system and check if you are getting the Wi-Fi tab or not. Now the next method is reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. So again, go to device manager and go to the network adapter, and here right click on your Wi-Fi option and go to properties. Now after that, go to drivers and check the detail of your driver. So this is the driver. For me it's Realtek 8822BE. So what we will do, we will first install the exe file of this driver. Go to the Google Drive and give your driver name. So here I give it and I get this option. I click on it. Now go to the download link. Here I go on this link. And so this is the same, mine Realtek driver. So just after that, right click on it and uninstall the device. Once you install this device from your device manager, go and install this exe file like this and run it. Once you run this driver will again install in your system. Then restore your system and check if you're still getting this error or not. So the last method is tweak the power management. For that, again you have to go to device manager and go to the network adapters. So click on network adapters and go to your Wi-Fi option, right click on it and go to properties. Here go to power management this time and untick this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and press OK and close it. And then again check after restart that you are getting that Wi-Fi or not. So these are all the methods which can be helpful you to fix this error. If any of this method proved helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.